So, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Master Tech once again. Sorry for not creating a previous video update regarding to Go Transcript. Sorry for not recognizing all of your requests. I came up from the hectic schedule, which is causing me from failing to sleep at night and failing to update, and that is because of my thesis, which is needed to defend. Anyway, now that I passed my defense, I am now back here at YouTube to help you all regarding to your favorite online home-based freelance job, which is Go Transcript. So first of all, we need to log in. Transcript, which is I usually do 2 times. Okay. At the bottom of it, click apply. Then I'm gonna log in by my dummy account. Oh, I'm sorry. Again. Okay.
This audio is used for the transcriber test and Go transcript. So after you mentioned at some point.
Okay, so as you can see, guys, the script is already here because I've created it a while ago. Don't worry, guys, I didn't rush this. I created this for a whole day. And as we can see, in this script, there is only one inaudible part, which is right here. Okay, right here.
Clearly in a multicultural organization, that's really important. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so legit that this is the new update. Oh, we need to fix it. So right here. So right here, guys, inaudible part, you need to edit this by word. And also, you need to check my spelling, commas, periods, and especially my grammars. Don't worry, I'm gonna post my script at my comment section. So first of all, I put the name speaker because there is no specific name for every speaker, and also each speaker need to be bold. So one by one. So I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry, I'm gonna post the script at my comment section, guys. So okay, so here is the full script. This is apostrophe, guys, because change of thought. Don't worry, I've studied the guideline first before creating this for every tutorial I made. So again, this is not 100% accurate, but I came here to help. Hope you appreciate it, and thank you later. Good luck!